Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody out there, and happy Thanksgiving. That's the tire that needs to be replaced, and that's why I am at TA right now and hopes that I will get it refixed. They said it's a wait time for 2 hours, so now I get to exercise a little bit. I am headed towards another TA now because, as I usually say,
keep left to I-71 north.
in a trucker's life, you never know what's gonna happen. And this time, this TA employee tried to rip me off. I don't wanna get into it, but yeah, it was not a good experience. Hopefully, the next TA that I stop at, they will be better. I made a short video of me showing you guys how I use the Pilot Flying J app. The Pilot Flying J is the gas station where I fuel up my truck, my trailer, and in that short video I'll show you guys how you can use their app and just use it for fuel. You also earn rewards if you do use their app, or if you have a card like this, like the rewards card. And this way, whenever you fuel, you earn points. And when you earn points, you get cool stuff, like you can go take a shower, you can buy stuff from the gas station, especially like pizzas. Their pizzas are amazing. I love them. Okay, I just do. That doesn't mean everybody else does. I just do. Now, after checking in with the TA, I have to go find me a parking space, because there is a waiting limit of about an hour or so. And while I wait, I'll just play some video games or edit this video. And now we are waiting on the phone call from TA, the Travels of America truck stop, so they can change my trailer tire. Earlier in the video you saw that I talked about my tire and another Travels of America employee trying to rip me off. Hopefully, fingers crossed, these guys do not try to rip me off. I hope not, because after this date I'm in Pennsylvania as I speak right now and record this video. I'm in Pennsylvania right now, but after I get out of Pennsylvania and start heading towards Buffalo, New York, and then all the way to Rochester, New York, that's where my stop is. Hopefully these guys will do the job. But stay on. I'll keep making these small videos, so if you guys enjoy it, just let me know. If you guys don't enjoy it and have any kind of recommendations, what do you guys want to see and whatnot, just let me know and I'll make it happen. Thank you guys, and happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Goodbye.